Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. When I first moved to Butler County, Hogan Field, back in 2012, my first hangar was Tango 4 Foxtrot. It was a two-door extended T-hangar, no partitioning wall, so I could have a shop and I had a place to store stuff. But it was my hangar, and then come April the next year, I'd already moved into T6 Bravo, where the shop you might have remembered now, and I had a little bit of fun with it. As you might notice, there are two doors right there. Stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now you might notice this had two doors. It had an indoor and it had an outdoor. And the new tenant who took over the lease for me and the rent was Kevin, and he flies a Stearman. But anyway, with the two doors come April Fool's Day, I had no opportunity but to take some tempera paint in blue, and I did one door in Kev in and one door in Kev out. And most of the people at the airport had a good time with it. Kevin was mad at me for a couple of weeks until the sheer outrage of the other people who thought it was so funny finally convinced him, and we have a picture of the two doors in the shop hangar now. And since I had a little bit of that tempera paint left over, I put it on top of the yellow fire hydrant plugs, and then the next day when it rained, it was all gone. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative and amusing. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day with your Grumman.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.